Magazines?
Yeah, magazines and photos.
Vintage magazines, family photo there, photo album, all covered up. And 1750. I have 20 and 2250. I'm at 20, 2250 and each is 2250. I have 20, look, 2250. $40 to number 5. 20 to 5. And lot 48. What do you got there, Josh? Lot 48. A watercolor. And I believe some candlestick.
Yep.
Alrighty, you're on it. And on that group, we have $10 here and $12.50. I'm at 10 and $12.50, and Andrew's $12.50. We're at 10, look for $12.50. $10, number 26, 10 to 26. 49, what do we got? Goodies. The purse is damaged, but a lot of beads in there. All kinds of little goodies he's going to pull out and keep showing. And this one's at 25 and 27.50. I have 25, 27.50, and it's just 27.50 for that.
Dad's ex-wife.
We're at 25. Look for 27.50. $25, number 24. 25 to 24. Alright, lot 50, just a lot of nice glassware. And we can open that up at 20, looking for 22.50. I have 20, 22.50, and it's just 22.50 for this one. We're at 20, looking for 22.50.